Some horse racing now. Despite two jockeys finishing atop the table for the 2020 local racing season, it's not yet official that there will be a tie for this year's title at Caymanas Park. Spencer Darlington reports.
Three-time champion DANE Nelson and the 2018 winner Anthony Thomas both ended the 2020 campaign with 84 wins each, which means if this is declared official, it would mark only the second tie for the Jockeys Championship at Caymanas Park in 50 years. Following the dead heat involving Jamaican Richard DEPASSE and Panamanian Jose Bravo, who each tallied 53 wins in 1970. However, Chief Steward at the Jamaica Racing Commission, ANTOINE NEMBHARD, says the regulatory body is now doing some cross-checking.
As it is now, the numbers that we have are from the promoting company, STEWARD, and that suggests that both riders have accumulated 84 wins apiece. The Racing Commission, however, has to double-check, to ensure that the numbers are indeed correct.
NEMBHARD further explained some of what they are verifying at the moment.
We want to ensure that there are no changes as a result of decisions that would have been made by the board earlier on this year, disqualifications or appeals that may have led to outcomes of races being changed. So that double check is in process. As soon as we have completed it, then we can make an official statement. If it is that the 84 is confirmed by the commission, then both riders would be declared joint champions for the 2020 racing season.
With the Jockeys Championship being decided by the total number of winners in a given season, there is a suggestion in some quarters that a tiebreaker should be inserted into the bylaws of the Jamaica Racing Commission to ensure an outright champion jockey if the present scenario is repeated in the future.
That would be strictly a matter for the board to consider. Certainly, a recommendation could be made in how we could streamline the process to ensure that the decision-making is easier going forward. But I wouldn't want to preempt what the board will decide. It is a matter that only they can offer an outcome toward.
Nelson recorded 84 wins from 328 rides, while Thomas's 84 victories came from 386 mounts. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.